Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are in my dining room and we're going to decorate this table for my 2025 Summer Tablescape. But first things first, I want to add some artwork to this wall in my dining room. I'm pretty much shopping my home for all of the decor as well as dinnerware. So this will be a no spin. And this is how the artwork looks, and I love it. Now I'm calling my hubby in for this one. I was looking through my closet and found some sconces that I purchased about a year ago at our Daily Deals in Orlando, Florida. Daily Deals is a store that buys pallets of Amazon packages and you get it at a discounted price. I think I paid $7 for a set of 2 sconces. Now these I'm going to hang without wiring to the wall and add battery operated lights to it later. And here's the twins. They're giving me a traditional yet modern feel. The sconces look amazing over my buffet, which I'm keeping simple. Now let's start on the tablescape. I'm using these beautiful white and gold placemats that I picked up from Shein. By the way, this table will be set for 6. Next, I'm adding these beautiful chargers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Very affordable. I absolutely love these black and white dinner plates, and you'll see the salad plates shortly from Walmart. They are by Time and Table. To add more beauty to this tablescape, I'm bringing in these beautiful black flutes from Z Gallery. Let's add these water glasses that I picked up years ago from Hobby Lobby. My beautiful mother-in-law blessed me with these black cloth napkins. Hi, Mom. And I use them every chance that I get. The very last thing to add to the place settings is our flatware. Next, we're working on the centerpiece and we're keeping it very simple. You know, if you've been following me, I love to have trays in the center of my dining tables. And I'm going to add this beautiful orchid to the tray, as well as a ginger jar and a candle. I've seen this same ginger jar in black and gold. And if I can find it again, it'll be in my home. I found this beautiful glass vase at Ross years ago. And I said to myself then, I'm going to make a candle out of it. And this has lasted me at least 2 years, guys. So let's take a look around and see what we've accomplished today here in my dining room for 2025's Summer Tablescape. Well, that's all I have for you in today's video. Stay tuned because the 2025 Summer Home Tour is coming your way. I cannot wait to share my home with you. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. And I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.